Welcome to Amya channel. We are doing today chemistry, and we are doing revision for chemistry chapter 1, that is chemical reaction and equation. We have already discussed many questions in session 1. Now in this session we are continuing the question and answer session. Okay, so question is, what does one mean by exothermic and endothermic reaction? Give example. Correct, Kritika? Kritika is telling reaction in which heat energy is released is called exothermic reaction. Correct. Beta, can you give one example? I think if you will give one example, it will be much better. Reaction where heat is released. Okay, who has given this answer? Huh? Speed is different. Here, Bhumi has given those reaction in which heat is evolved is called exothermic reaction. Carbon plus oxygen, carbon dioxide heat released. After that, second one she wrote those reaction in which heat is absorbed is called endothermic reaction. After that, Saranya gave the answer exothermic. Very good. Heat is released, chemical reaction. After that, Pavitra gave the answer, that is exothermic, in which heat is released. She gave the example, and then endothermic, where heat is absorbed. Very good. So back to back, all of you are correct. Super, very good. Kritika gave the answer. Saranya, Pavitra gave the answer. Very good. So let's see what answer they have given. Exothermic reactions are those reactions in which heat is evolved, correct? That is carbon and oxygen, it is forming carbon dioxide. And you can take any one example. Any one example is enough. And then second one, endothermic reaction, in those reaction in which heat is absorbed, you can take any one reaction. That is CaCO3, calcium carbonate, and calcium oxide formation. Okay. Very important question. Why is respiration considered as exothermic reaction? Explain. Simple one. Arvind is correct. Ah, super, Arvind. Reaction energy is absorbed is called endothermic reaction. Super. He has given. Very good. Photosynthesis equation. Very good, Arvind. Kirti, my exothermic reactions are reactions in which heat is released. It is process in which energy is released in the form of heat. Respiration is considered as exothermic reaction because energy is released in this process. Glucose combined with oxygen present in our cells to form carbon dioxide and water along with energy. Very good. Well done. Kritika is telling respiration is considered as exothermic reaction because energy is released in the process. Glucose combined with oxygen present in our cell to form carbon dioxide and water along with energy. Anila, energy is released in the form of heat during respiration. Okay, Bhumi, respiration is an exothermic reaction because during respiration, glucose combined with oxygen in the cell of our body to form carbon dioxide and water. Very good, Saranya. Respiration is a process in which oxidation of food particles take place. Oxygen is utilized to burn the food particles slowly. Carbon dioxide and water and heat energy are the byproduct. Well done. Arvind is telling respiration is considered as an exothermic reaction because in respiration, oxidation of glucose takes place, which produce a large amount of heat energy. Very good, all of you. Super, fabulous work. That means what? Definitely they will be very much happy by your answer. Let's see what answer they have given. During respiration, see, you have written chemical equation is also mentioned. So like when glucose is there, glucose is exactly burned in presence of oxygen to give carbon dioxide and water molecule. Most of you have given it in the word form. They have written in word form, and after that they have written the equation. So better, that's why I'm showing you that what should be your answer. And if you will follow this trend, definitely you will be in positive mode. So definitely after writing what you have written, just show the equation, because most of you are correct only. All of you are in fact correct. Fine, let's go for the next question. Why a decomposition reaction called the opposite of combination reaction? Write equation for this reaction. Okay, Pavitra, during digestion, the complex food broken down to simpler one. Combined carbon. Okay. Very good, Pavitra. Very good. You have also written the correct answer. Now go for the next one. Why a decomposition reaction called the opposite of combination reaction? Write the equation. And this question came in CBSE 2012. You can see there 2012 is written. Okay. So this question already came in CBSE 2012. Okay, very good. Saranya has given the answer. Let's check the answer. Saranya is telling A plus B, AB combination reaction, A plus B, therefore decomposition reaction is reverse of combination reaction. Bhumi is telling in decomposition reaction, a single compound break down to produce two or more simpler substances. Very good. Electricity, electricity decomposition. What is that electricity decomposition, Bhumi? Just we can explain this to complete the answer. Saranya, what is that? In combination reaction, two reactant combine to form product, and in decomposition reactant, one reactant give two or three product. Kritika, okay, correct only. I think when you are saying the answer, it's better to give what you called an example for supporting your answer. Okay, let's see. They might have given the example also. See here, in decomposition, in combination, both they have written with. Okay, so now you are no auntie above that arrow electricity. Okay, that is correct only, Saran Bhumi. That is decomposition reaction where the compound is broken into simpler substances. Correct. So better now you are not showing, but in examination you must show with an example. Okay, means I'm saying you must show. You must write with an example. That is the proper sentence I should say. You must write with an example. That will be mostly appreciated. Okay. And don't forget to balance it also. Write one equation each of decomposition reaction where energy is supplied in the form of heat, light or electricity. See, this is exactly you are covering one section of combination decomposition reaction. Decomposition, three most important reactions are there. Heat reaction, one take heat one. So remember all the three different and do it. Light and electricity. Electricity, you know which one is the best one. Water is very important. Okay. Silver chloride, silver and chlorine, heat is released. Heat is released here or absorbed, beta, because this reaction will not take place in absence of sunlight. Okay, Kritika is telling about electricity, absorbed. Very good, beta. Silver is absorbed, sorry, heat is absorbed. So if heat is absorbed, better to put it in arrow, above arrow if you will write, or reactant side, because heat is absorbed. Correct, Saranya, you are correct only. Correct. Next one, Saranya, again correct about electricity. Pavitra, heat. She has given the example of Okay, heat, electricity, light, all silver example, water, okay, electricity, heat, ferrous sulfate, ferrous oxide, ferric oxide, and sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Very nice, Pavitra. Very good. So heat one, first one, calcium carbonate, calcium oxide, carbon dioxide, heat release. Silver one, taking sunlight, light reaction. Fourth one, using electricity. So beta here, heat, sunlight, and electricity, all the three are exactly the catalyst. Catalyst are what? They are exactly involved in they are helping the reaction to proceed without actually involving in the reaction. So here we can say that they help in the reaction to proceed. Okay. So we cannot say directly catalyst. We can say they are helping the reaction to proceed. Next question, what is the difference between displacement and double displacement reaction? Write equation of this reaction. Independent question. These type of questions are called as jackpot questions because we cannot expect much easier question than this. Okay, what is the difference between displacement reaction and double displacement? What a type of question you think? If this question will come in your board exam, but let's see who will answer this question first. Double displacement, exchange of ions, displacement of less reactive element by higher reactive element. Okay, Saranya has given the answer. Right equation of these reactions also. Okay, Kirti Maya has given the answer. Kritika, decomposition reaction. One reactant can form two or more product in double displacement. Which answer I'm reading? Double displacement reaction. Na2S, okay, very good. Displacement, the type of chemical action where two compound react and provide. Okay, very good. But you have to differentiate better. Here, what you have to do, you have to differentiate between the two. Let's see what type of differentiation they have done. See, mode of writing. Displacement reaction, those reaction in which more reactive metal displaces less reactive metal from its salt solution are called displacement. Example, iron and copper sulfate they have given. So iron sulfate, ferric sulfate, what? Okay. Who has given this answer? Pavitra. Okay, Pavitra, you can write like that also. Double displacement, those reactions in which two compound exchange their ion to form two new compound are called double displacement. Sarana, you are correct in that. An equation is there. Fine. So just open question, write it. You are independent to write. So please, but prepare one type of question like this also. Don't think they will not ask this much easy question. Sometimes easy question becomes difficult. Okay. This question, in refining of silver, the recovery of silver from silver nitrate solution involved displacement by copper metal. Write down the reaction involved. Easiest question. It will definitely come for 2 marks. When this question will come, one for writing the equation, one for explaining. Do it, beta. Do it fast. Pavitra is telling 2 AgNO3, copper, nitrate. Okay. Fine. Let's see what is the answer. Kritika, Pavitra, Kirtimaya, everyone gave the answer. Let's see. Okay. What is the answer here is Cu, copper, silver nitrate, copper nitrate and silver formation. I hope everyone might have balanced. Okay. Silver metal can be recovered. Okay. After this, silver metal is recovered. Correct only. Let's go for the next question. What do you mean by precipitation reaction? Explain by giving example. I told you na, any one PPT you can give example. Easiest one, easiest question. We can also say open question for this. We can say it's an open question, interesting question, very good question. Give the answer. Let's see who is going to answer first. Hmm? Kritika said a substance is formed which is insoluble in what is called precipitation reaction. Example, beta, just give an example. We discussed one example. Barium something. Okay, very good. Super. Bhumi has given the answer. Precipitation reaction is a reaction in which soluble ion is separated solution are mixed together to form an insoluble compound that settles out of solution as a solid. Okay, this insoluble compound is called precipitation. Silver nitrate plus potassium chloride, silver chloride plus potassium nitrate. Very good. Super. Very good. Saranya also gave the answer. Precipitation is formed. Precipitation definition you have not given, Saranya. So those reaction in which two compound react to form insoluble compound, which is called precipitate. Now, when solution of silver nitrate, same example, super, fantastic. So silver nitrate, so it is going to give white PPT, that is silver chloride and Okay, very good. Super. One more example. They have given two examples. Silver chloride nitrate will be obtained. Silver chloride will be obtained and sodium nitrate will be obtained. Silver chloride white PPT. Here, let's go for next question. Explain the following in terms of gain or loss of oxygen with two examples each. Easiest one. Kritika, you are absolutely correct, beta. That is silver chloride will be present as PPT. This is the easiest one. Let's see who can answer this question. Explain the following in terms of gain or loss of oxygen with two examples each. What happens, Saranya? Okay, type what happened, Saranya. Next one. Check one time, Saranya. Explain the following in terms of gain or loss of oxygen with two examples each. Oxidation and reduction. Gain of oxygen. Carbon plus oxygen. It gave carbon dioxide. Correct. Reduction. Very good. Gain of electron. Oxygen it is telling about beta. Loss of electron. Hmm. Explain the following in terms of gain or loss of oxygen with two examples each. Given magnesium and oxygen burning, it is giving magnesium oxide. Okay. Copper oxide, hydrogen, it gives copper plus hydrogen. Okay. One answer I've already showed. Shiny brown colored element X on heating in air become black in color. Name the element X and the black colored compound formed. Shiny brown colored element. It's copper. This X is copper. And what it will be forming? It will be forming copper oxide. It is black in color. Reaction is also showed. Next question is, why do we apply paint on iron article? To avoid rusting. Okay, that is the answer, and then you have to explain this point. Now, oil and fat containing food items are flushed with nitrogen. Why? In short, write the answer. It prevent rusting. Second one, beta, 19th answer I am asking. It prevent rancidity. Rancidity means the food will not get spoiled. Okay. Okay. We have finished one entire session of at least 40-50 questions today. Now tomorrow we will be doing maths triangle. Okay. Pavitra has asked one question. Fine. Okay, Pavitra. I will solve your question now itself. But first I am stopping the recording, beta.